What are the rules of evidence in small claims court? Have you ever wondered how evidence works in small claims court, especially when it comes to auto insurance collision claims? Understanding these rules can be a game changer for your case. In small claims court, the rules of evidence are generally more relaxed than in higher courts, but some basic principles still apply. This ensures fairness and clarity for everyone involved. First, let's talk about the types of evidence you can present. You have several options. Documents are a big one. This includes written agreements, repair estimates, insurance declarations pages, police reports, and receipts for repairs. These documents help establish your case. Next, photographs and videos can be incredibly helpful. Images showing vehicle damage or the accident scene can make your argument much stronger. Witness testimony is also important. Statements from people who saw the accident or were involved can provide crucial support for your claims. Lastly, physical evidence, like damaged car parts, can also be presented. Now, you should be aware that hearsay evidence, which is information reported by someone who did not directly witness the event, is treated cautiously. However, small claims courts often allow some flexibility with this type of evidence. When it comes to filing evidence, you typically need to submit your evidence to the court a certain number of days before your hearing, often around 30 days. This includes the original documents and photos you plan to use. If you fail to file your evidence on time, the judge may refuse to consider it. The burden of proof lies with the person bringing the claim, known as the plaintiff. This means you must convince the judge that your version of events is more likely true than not. You do this by presenting all relevant evidence clearly and logically. Relevance and materiality are also key. Your evidence must directly relate to the facts of your case and have significant bearing on the outcome. To make your case clear, it is important to organize your evidence logically. For example, if you are dealing with an auto insurance collision claim, you might start with the police report, followed by photos of the damage, repair estimates, and insurance documents. If you have a crucial witness who is unwilling to testify, the court can issue a subpoena to compel their attendance. In the context of a collision claim, you should present your insurance policy details to show coverage. Submit repair estimates and photos to demonstrate the extent of damage. Use the police accident report and any traffic citations to establish fault. Including witness statements that support your account of the accident is also essential. By following these evidence rules, you can build a stronger case in small claims court related to auto insurance collision claims. This can significantly improve your chances of a favorable resolution.